Apprentice Tannoy is continuing with this bamboo scaffolding because we are securing this platform here with bamboo, ready to do the top part of this canopy here. So today's vlog is all canapes. Tannoy's canopy, the small aesthetic canopy, and this canopy to stop the rain from raining on the second floor. Right, legends, welcome to vlog 230 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. In today's vlog we are looking at a new canopy here on the second floor, which Foreman Rocky is in charge of designing and building. You would have remembered from previous vlogs that Tannoy was here building this small support beam with Nonoi gypsum, and they put one patong or one row of hollow blocks in, and now they are building another canopy that will meet this hollow block wall. So loads going on. I hope you're well. Welcome to vlog 230. I'll give you more updates throughout the day. But the rendering continues, and Didong Jason is on floor 2 as well. You can see his legs there, doing a bit of rendering. Tannoy is also on floor 2, just removing this excess bamboo support that was here for the best part of a month or so. We don't actually need it anymore, so Tannoy is removing some of it and clearing the rooms. So legends, if you watch previous vlogs or the previous vlog to this, you'll remember that Foreman Rocky and Boss Nanti were moving up the forms to bore horse or pour concrete into this element of the design work. That's been done, and now it's been released from the forms this morning. So again, this isn't a load bearing or structural engineering column, it literally is just design work. it's all part of the aesthetics. Then the idea is to form a small canopy here, which will then meet a larger canopy formed by this this hollow block wall going down the center of the design. You'll see it all take place, don't worry. And this canopy continues here on floor 2 on the smaller balcony. But in all honesty, I think this would be the balcony that we spend most of the time on. You know, your day-to-day living. So you'll see that Foreman Rocky has begun already putting some plywood down. And some dos for dos, some cocoa lumber. And I'll show you once we're on floor 3 the cavilla work, the rebar work that is involved in this. Because as you, if you've seen previous vlogs, you'll know that this rebar needs to intersect one another, form junctions to make the design structurally sound. And what's poking out there is 16mm rebar, and what will go across it, I imagine, will be 10mm rebar. So yeah, let's head over there and see what's going on the 3rd floor, and look at this canopy from another angle. Oh, Apprentice Tannoy is climbing Spider-Man. So there's a nail in there, and then it's fastened again with alumbri, steel wire. And if you know bamboo material, you'll know that bamboo itself is very strong. As well as its strong fibrous nature. If you know bamboo material, you'll also know that it's very pliable. You can mold it, shape it into what you need. I was offered the option of using steel bars for scaffolding. Nothing wrong with that. I have best friends in the UK, London, that own some of the largest scaffolding companies in the capital. But bamboo in the Philippines is just a bit more durable, a bit more robust. We can use it to our advantage. Like these supports, we can make these bamboo supports, and then after we've used them, change the bamboo up into something else, which you wouldn't have that option with a steel bar. Steel bar is a steel bar. So legends, welcome to the 3rd floor. We're on the 3rd floor here at the Dream Home building project. And this beam has finally been removed from its forms and exposed in all its glory. It needs a layer of hollow blocks, much like this, and then it will be ready for rendering. So legends, you'll see the cocoa lumber that Foreman Rocky and Boss Nanti are using for this canopy. 2x2, 2x2s. And Foreman Rocky is currently working on the base, the plywood base of this canopy. And once this base is in place, these rebars that are sticking up will be laid down, and then 10mm rebar will be placed across, tied all with a lumbery. Some welding of structural joints will happen, and then we're ready for bores, ready for pouring of concrete. It's another hot day here in the Philippines, legends. There is a breeze which helps, but the temperatures are still in the high 30s. The Philippines uses something called a heat index. So the heat index apparently is in the upwards of 40s, but the actual temperature is around the 34, 35 mark Celsius. But I imagine the index is taking into account humidity and the indoor temperatures, the average indoor temperature. Something new that I'm not too familiar with. We don't really use that in London, a heat index. I mean, there's rarely any heat in London. British summertime lasts all of 40 days and everyone goes mad for it. I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far, vlog 230. We're in the 30s now of the 200s. Going through these vlogs very quickly, but progress is progress. I always have something to document and show on this YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying this series and these vlogs that I'm producing. If you are, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. And as always, legends, if you wish to engage, if you want to interact with me, you can do so through the YouTube comment section. Kind words are always welcome. Technical questions can also be addressed there. If you wish to talk to me privately, you can always catch me on FB, Facebook Messenger, as well as Instagram and TikTok. All of those platforms have messenger services. All you have to do is head over to those platforms and search for Miles Roldan and hit the follow button.
Dalong đi kìa.
Apprentice Tannoy is continuing with this bamboo scaffolding, because we are securing this platform here with bamboo, ready to do the top part of this canopy here. So today's vlog is all canapes. Tannoy's canopy, the small aesthetic canopy, and this canopy to stop the rain from raining on the second floor. This is Boss Nanti searching for more plywood. This is the constant search on site here for materials. We have it all, it's just because every little project, every little goal has its own measurements. We try and reuse plywood where we can, and it's just about finding the right plywood that we can use and shape and mold. It looks as though he's found the piece that he likes and he can work with for today, or for what he's trying to achieve on the canopy. Give it a little measure. There we go. Looks as though he's found the piece that he's looking for. Alright, Dad?
Yeah.
You got your nails cleaned?
It's clean now. Ready. Right.
They're doing a canopy, Dad. Or all of them are doing canopies. A design one here, and then one that we actually need along here to stop the rain.
And who is in charge?
Boss Nanti and Foreman Rocky. So legends, let's catch up with all that's going on. The canopy on this side is being welded by Boss Nanti. The cavalier work has been undertaken and he's just welding it, making it structurally sound. The continued work on these aesthetics are still ongoing. Tannoy and Gibson are still working on that. We are actually waiting for the electrical team to turn up to do this to do this canopy before we can even think about pouring concrete into it. Right, legends, let's check in with Justin's work. Right, legends, we're on the 3rd floor and let's have a look at this this canopy. So you'll see, legends, the cavalier work, the rebar work has been done. 16 mm and 10 mm going across. It's just a shame, legends, we can't actually pour concrete today because we need the electrical team to come here and connect the electrical pipe down here, because I believe we have 3 or 4 lights on this canopy. And work continues on this canopy, legends. This is the canopy that has aesthetics to it. There's no actual real need for it other than design work.
Lapad lang.
So Tanoi looks to have secured the bamboo that will support all of this foremast for this cross beam, and Foreman Rocky looks like he's supporting Tanoi now with this this foremast, making sure it's all done correctly. That looks to be the base. And Gibson is hauling up some more sand and stone, ready for hopefully the pouring of concrete tomorrow, in tomorrow's vlog, once the electrical team arrive and sort out this canopy that I've been highlighting in today's vlog. Just waiting on them to come in and install their junction boxes for the lights, and then we can pour the slab on the canopy. So legends, this canopy work will continue, and it will eventually lead to the pouring of concrete, hopefully tomorrow after someone from the electrical team arrives. We'll see how it goes. That's it, legends, for vlog 230 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it. We got to see more of this canopy work being produced. We have an aesthetic canopy for design purposes, as well as a real canopy on the second floor balcony that really needs electrical work on it, cavalier work on it. So you got to see two aspects of two types of canopy here on our project. As well as that, the rendering continues on the outside of the property, and loads more updates to come. With all this being said, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and share button, as well as the subscribe button if you haven't already. To all my legends, continue to support my journey here in the Philippines. I'm so grateful to you. Shout out to all of you. And with all this being said, I hope to see you all in vlog 231. 231 is next. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan.